Okie dokie. So guess what we are making? Guess what? I don't know why it's fragmented. I thought I did a better job. Everything out and I'll make something rugged today. What's rugged? Guess. Alrighty, so my plan is to put some charms on my, well, something sweet that we are making. They'll be good colored, but they're not. Is that too much? Too much, definitely too much. I will sprinkle some of this sweetness. There is no sugar in what I made, but this sugar does a good crust on top. So let's go. I'll put it in my oven, which is preheated at 400. Let's see how it turns out. Rescue this big bounty over breads. Yo, is it ready? I don't know. I know, the timer is like, come on now, I'm here. Somebody told me this. Yeah, it is not ready. Oh yeah, need to reduce my fire, make it lower than that. That's high. We're going low. Bake, and then I'll go 350. And then let it get ready for sure. I feel like putting cream on it because it's drying faster than it should, and that's not my plan. Damage control, damage control, damage control. 101. Okay, let's see if we can save it. Time to find out, time to find out what happened to the bread. That is hot. Very, very hot. How do you think we should find out? Take it out? Maybe. Take it out. Stage 1, take it out. Yeah, that's hot. It is stuck in there like that. I don't know why. It looks like it could get out, but it is kind of stuck in there. I like to do this. I go in and then after that I'll pull it out. Bruh, this is hot. As you can see, I conquer, whatever comes first. We're gonna check it out. Me with my knife, we're going in. Why is it hard on the surface? Damn. Okay, let's go in the middle and see what happened to the bread. It got a little more bananas than it should, I think. Wow. Okay, I'll still try it because that was the purpose. Gonna go sideways because the consistency was softer than it should be. I put more bananas than I should have, but it's edible. So edible, it's gonna be eaten. Bon appetit. It tastes fabulous. Can't believe it. It tastes so good because of the banana.